Greeting, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can join a Zoom meeting from this web browser here. Very important here. Yes, for this web browser. The first step, we're going to click right in here. So we're going to type the word Zoom. We're going to type the word Zoom. We're going to press enter. Then press enter. There you go. You notice you bring up the Zoom video conference. You're going to click on that. So while you click on that, here you go. Right up here, it says join a meeting, host a meeting, my account. So I'm going to click right here. That's a join a meeting. Right, you notice right here it's a join meeting. So right here I'm going to enter the meeting code right here. So I'm going to type it here inside of it, and while I do that, here you will see exactly what really takes place here. So I type in the code, then right here you notice it said the word join. Right, very important. I'm going to click the word here join. I want to click on the word join. If you notice right here it said launch. If you notice it's a click here to open Zoom meeting right here. Good, and show you right down here. So if you don't have it on your desktop, you download it now. Right here show you cancel. Here show open Zoom meeting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right here that said open Zoom meeting. So when I click right here, notice this come. I can actually minimize this right up here. But if you notice right here, this is self. Right, if you notice right up here, this is self Zoom meeting. If I come like this, and there you go, and I can actually open it up just like that. Right, and this is exactly how you can actually join it from this particular here. Alright, so very important. So if you have learned something from this video here, so just remember to share it with your friend. Alright, so very important.